Hello. So Zevi got up in the morning to take up the time lapse of the early morning, but then it was too cloudy. We couldn't get in proper shot. Good morning. Got fresh and things. Now gonna have my green tea. And then just look at the view. Early morning to look at the view like this, it's so good. That's a place where we're gonna go for our breakfast. So that's Devi's cup of coffee, and that's my tea. So Casper is sleeping. He still isn't up. My little baby shark is sleeping, so once he's up, get him a shower and head for a breakfast. Probably it's gonna be a buffet. We flew a little bit of drone in the morning. We got the morning clips and all. But then the sunrise isn't from this side. Also, I'll take you to the tour of the property of this resort. It's really big, huge. They have the infinity pool, which I showed you as well, which I'm going to show you. They have the children's space to play in. They have the children's place to play in. There's this pool over there. That's the pool. That's the pool, guys. So good. Oh, I wish I could stay here forever. So good. So, you trees, have a good day while I sip up my green tea and we'll start vlogging the rest of the day. And you guys would see that. Pakota, we got dressed and heading for a breakfast now. I'm heading back to the room, change up, and then thinking of coming to the pool. That's the pool, that's the infinity pool. and beautiful, guys. And yeah, the staff are really good. We had lovely breakfast. Look who's enjoying this place now. Hi! It's Casper's time. Whee! Whee! Wow!
Go on.
So time to say goodbye now. It was really amazing stay at Ragamaya Resort. The staff, the members, the entire crew are really nice and friendly. We had a really good time, and Casper, he had a blast. He enjoyed it to the fullest. They had a good play area for him to play around in. Stay tuned for the last part of Munnar vlog. Up next we are visiting the Elephant Abort Boarding Center. This reservoir is in middle and the tea plantations are on the sides. It's really pretty, and that is the place we are going to go on a speedboat. So for all of this and also on cardamom plantation, please stay tuned, and also for a lot more, like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.